What's up, guys? So as you can tell by the massive clickbait of the thumbnail and title, it is clickbait, but it's also 100% real. This is an actual test, an actual thing that my business partner and I are going to do. We're going to sell 100K worth of Amazon product in 100 days without the use of Amazon FBA. And I'm going to cut to the video that I recorded of myself in my car that explains this whole entire process. And basically, we're going to do this if I get enough avid fans and basically just people who show interest in me recording and documenting every single step of this process. So with that being said, let's get at least 50 likes on this video. Let's get at least 20 comments, whatever, guys, and share the crap out of this video. Share it as much as you possibly can. I want the word to get spread as much as humanly possible, because that makes my time and my business partner's time much more worthwhile, more incentivized to provide amazing content documenting this entire process. So guys, please do your best to help me out with this, because I will be helping you out massively with the content relating this Amazon challenge. So I'm going to hurry up and cut to the video I shot earlier, so definitely stay and watch this quick little video. All right, guys, take care. Hope you're doing good. A little bit different intro today. I'm actually sitting in my car. But I just wanted to get this video out quick because I actually just met with my business partner, and we sat down for a long time, discussed a lot of different stuff. And guys, we have some exciting stuff planned here, some really exciting stuff planned. But here's the thing. Before we get into this and before I tell you exactly what it is, I need some insane engagement on this video. I need some likes, I need some comments. And the reasoning for that is because, look, here's the reality. We're not going to go through all this effort of what I'm about to explain if there's not enough demand, if enough people out there aren't going to love and, absorb what we want to share. So with that being said, let me tell you what we're going to get into here. So our goal for what I'm about to explain is, look, we want to do a challenge, an Amazon challenge, and it's not going to be FBA, okay? It has nothing to do with FBA. In fact, it has everything to do with, we have a way, okay, of kind of drop shipping. It's kind of like drop shipping, but here's the challenge, right? 100K in 100 days. So we're going to generate 100K in revenue within a 100-day period of time. And that's going to be all done without the use of FBA and without any inventory investment. Okay, so no upfront investment in inventory, no fulfillment by Amazon, no Amazon Prime. And we are going to find a way to generate 100K in 100 days. Now, to my knowledge, there's been absolutely nothing of this nature that's ever been done before, or I should say done and also documented. So look, I'm going to document every single step of this entire process, of this entire journey. And guys, I think it's going to be pretty badass, to be honest with you. And I would love to actually, I need a comment, I need a like, I need something, I need some sort of engagement just to know that you guys are awake and alive out there and would actually like to see something like this. So like I said, guys, 100K, 100 days, it's going to be a drop shipping type model, but it's going to be done on Amazon. And it's going to be no inventory, it's going to be no FBA, it's going to be no fulfillment by Amazon. Nothing of that nature. It's going to be probably hopefully something you guys have never seen before. So we're super pumped about this. We're getting all the stuff in place to pull this off. Yeah, we're just finalizing what we need to get finalized in order to be able to pull this off. So that's why I'm kind of recording this video before we actually get, I guess, balls deep, you could say, in really, pursuing it. So, guys, please comment below if you're super pumped and you'd love to see this whole entire thing documented. I literally am going to document everything step by step by step, leaving virtually nothing out. Give this video a like. Let's try to get this thing up to at least like 50 likes or something. That would be really awesome. Let's get some likes. And please, guys, any sort of feedback, you can message me. You can message me via privately or the comment section on the YouTube video. It doesn't really matter. Just reach out to me. Do whatever. My Facebook, Instagram, it doesn't matter. Just reach out and let me know what you think, and I will answer every single question you guys have. So, guys, Hope you are doing good today. I am super excited, as you can tell, and I want to get this kicking and going as quickly as possible. I just need a little bit of validation. So, guys, let me know if you want to see this, if you want to see the entire 100K in 100 days on Amazon, documented every single step of the way. Let me know. And with that being said, peace out, guys. Have a good day.